Welcome to part 2 of how to remove, sharpen, and replace the net wrap cutoff knife on a John Deere Round Baler. In this video, we'll show you how to sharpen and reinstall the net wrap cutoff knife. For this demonstration, we're using a John Deere 568 Round Baler with a mega-wide pickup. If you've already followed the instructions for removing the cutoff knife, then it's time to begin the sharpening process. Put the knife into a vise or lay it flat on a workbench and secure it with clamps. Use a file to sharpen the knife edge by pulling the file in a single direction toward yourself as illustrated in your operator's manual. Take care to follow the bevel and angle of the existing blade. Do not use harsh sawing or back and forth movements, which can damage the blade. Once your knife is adequately sharpened, it's time to reinstall it by carefully placing it into position with the beveled surface facing up and to the rear of the machine. Reinstall the round head bolts and nuts so the round heads face the front of the machine and tighten them to the specification noted in your operator's manual. Next, reinstall the brush on the cutoff knife using the 4 round head bolts and nuts, but do not tighten them yet. You'll need to set the clearance between the steel roll and the brush to the dimensions noted in your operator's manual. Once the clearance is set to the correct dimension, tighten all the bolts to specification and reconnect the net actuator wiring connector. Return to the tractor's operator station and turn the tractor key to the on position. Then press the wrap key on the monitor controller to move the counter knife fully downward to the home position. If this procedure is not followed, the net wrap will be fed continuously during the next bale. Finally, turn the tractor key to the off position and turn the monitor controller off. And there you have it. The reinstalled cutoff knife on your John Deere baler is nice and sharp.